Hi, and welcome to UClass. In this lesson you will learn how to play the C major scale on the ukulele. For those of you who are not familiar with the C major scale has 7 notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And after B, the scale repeats itself again, so you again get C, D, and so on. We can play this scale on the ukulele starting on the open C string, which is your 2nd string. The D we can find on the 2nd fret of the C string. The E again is an open string, your 3rd string. Then the F is on the 1st fret of the E string. G is on the 3rd fret of the E string. A is again an open string, your 4th string. B is on the 2nd fret of that A string. And then again on the 3rd fret we get C. Let's see if we can play that together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. As a general rule, I'd recommend using your index finger for the notes on the 1st fret, your middle finger for the notes on the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger, your ring finger, for the notes on the 3rd fret. Now let's practice building some speed. Let's see if we can do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And even a little faster than that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also practice coming down back from the C, so playing the scale backwards, like this. Let's see if we can play the scale going upwards and backwards. Let's try it slow first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back. Let's try the same thing but a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. We've got new videos every Wednesday. Thank you and have a great day.